What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here, helping you make some extra income from home. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your shopping receipts into cash by scanning them on your phone. The reason you get paid for this is because these companies use receipts to conduct market research. While I will reveal which of these three apps pays the most, I recommend scanning the same receipt in all of these apps for the best results. For those who watch until the end, I will reveal a surprise fourth app which also accepts receipts in exchange for money. Now let's take a look at those apps. In third place we have Reciept Hog. Despite putting the most effort into the branding and presentation of the app, Reciept Hog does not pay as much as the other two apps on this list. In the time it took me to reach a PayPal cash out on Reciept Hog, I was already halfway towards a second cash out on another of the apps. I tend to get 10 coins for every receipt, which works out at around 3p. Higher value receipts are rewarded with more coins. You're also given slot machine spins each week to try and win more coins, but it doesn't help much. It's worth noting that you get a better conversion ratio of points to pennies if you save up for a higher value gift card. In second place we have HuYu. This app has the most streamlined interface and the easiest to understand point system. 1 point equals 1p, and you get 5 points for each supermarket receipt. The app has an auto scan feature, but often it's less hassle to take the picture yourself. The only real downside of this app is that PayPal is not included in the large variety of gift cards on offer. They have my next choice though, which is an Amazon UK voucher. In first place we have Shoppix. The reason this app is the best is simply because it has the fastest earning rate. Again, they use a needlessly convoluted point system and offer increasingly better conversion rates for higher value gift cards. While the receipts pay about as much as on HuYu, getting weekly scratch card bonuses is what sets you ahead. The downside of this app is that they do not reward you for multiple receipts from one store that share the same date. So for those of you who are thinking of picking up other people's receipts from the self-checkouts to scan, you'll only be able to do this on the other apps. As a thank you for watching this far into the video, I'm going to tell you about a secret fourth way to make money from scanning receipts. Swagbucks has recently introduced this feature, which can be found in the survey section of their phone app. While you only get 2 cents per receipt on this one, it supplements the earnings you can get from doing many other activities on Swagbucks. Check out the other videos on my channel to learn about their paid search engine and flash games. Swagbucks is the only receipt scanning app that gives you a sign-up bonus. If you join using my link and make your first 300 points, we'll both receive an extra $3. As usual, I've provided you with the links you need in the video description if you would like to start earning money from these apps. Thanks for helping out my channel by liking, subscribing and watching the videos in full. I'll see you next time with some more lazy money making tips.